everybody, welcome to Lily Putty. Today we're going to make hand sanitizer. Here are the 3 ingredients we need. Aloe vera gel, rubbing alcohol, and tea tree oil. I forgot to mention that you also need a bottle. This one we got from Walmart. It was $3.
And it's reusable.
And it's reusable. The recipe is simple. 2/3 rubbing alcohol, 1/3 aloe vera gel.
Okay, everybody. The aloe vera gel we're using is just something from Trader Joe's. It's 99% pure. We don't have a lot left, so I'm going to let Lily shake it out in there. And we'll do it fast time.
We're done with the gel. Now we need 2/3 cups of alcohol. Now we add the gel to the alcohol and mix. Just keep mixing until it's all together. So like that, basically.
Perfect.
We're done mixing the alcohol and gel. Now we need to add the tea tree oil. Wait, can I go?
Yeah, go ahead. How many drops?
5 or 6.
Okay, shake it in there. Keep count. What is that, 3? Is that 6?
7.
7? Okay. What does the tea tree oil do?
Make it feel good on our hands so we don't feel.
Yeah, it's full of vitamin, what, E, skin health, all sorts of stuff.
Ooh, it smells good. We're all done now. Now we just need to add it to our dispenser.
Careful.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm gonna spill
Okay, good job making this, Lily. Let's see how it works.
The gel's at the bottom.
Is there? Shake this up. You want to try it? Now, you already mentioned it. It's kind of watery. So give me a little bit, a squirt, not a lot. Oh! Okay, smells like tea tree oil and rubbing alcohol. Okay, put it in your hand, not across the room, please. How's it smell? How's it smell?
Weird.
It smells pretty good. It smells like tea tree oil and gel. So get it all over your fingers, back, thumb. Put it on your thumb and do the motorcycle thing. Okay. Well, that's it. We just made homemade hand sanitizer. Oh, it's cold. Say thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Hi, everybody.
We keep going louder, though.
I can't. I forgot already.
Just say it then.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Lily Putty. Stop.
Do it again without cracking up. Do sit up straight and say, and it's reusable.
It's reusable.
Do it again without laughing.
And it's reusable.
Say it without cackling. Go ahead. Come on. All right, give me I'm gonna go kill a puppy.
No.
All right, and it's reusable.
And it's reusable.
Okay, giggles. Good grief.